Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Gemini dollar using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, on the top of the screen, you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and swap buttons. Now here, if you want to get Gemini dollar, you can either buy them or receive them. Now tap on the one that you choose, and in the search bar, just type in Gemini. And when you have found it, you just have to tap on it, and Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. Now with this QR code, you can receive Gemini dollars in your Trust Wallet. You can also use this QR code to scan it for yourself. If you have Gemini dollars in a different wallet, you can use this to transfer it to your Trust Wallet. Now you can also use the copy icon to copy your Trust Wallet address and to use that for the same purpose. And the second icon is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 576, and with this you can receive coins. You can receive this exact amount of coins in your Trust Wallet, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.